Hey guys, I need some help here. I'm at the end of the rope, don't know what to do. I have this Onan generator. It's a 2.8 kilowatt, 2.8K Onan, and you can see the specifications for this here. And the situation is that it would crank, but it will not run. I have confirmed I have fuel. I have also confirmed I have spark, and I have good compression. Compression is 110 psi. I don't know what's keeping it from running. I'll show you what it does when I try to run it with and without choke. Any help is greatly appreciated. Okay, so again, I checked, took the spark plug off, connected it, and had it here. I can see spark. I do have fuel going to the carburetor, but just in case, I sprayed starting fluid into the carburetor as well to make sure that there was definitely getting fuel in there. And then of course I checked the compressor 110 psi. I looked at the valves, and the valves are opening and closing. I didn't check the gap. I'm going to do that next, but I would think that if the valves were not opening and closing correctly, that I would not have good compression. But I'll check them just to make sure. So I'm going to show you what it does when I try to run it. I'm running a standalone with a battery and fuel feeding straight into the electric fuel pump. And just listen to it. I'm going to choke it. This will be choke. This will be choke open, and you can see it tries, but it really doesn't run. So as you can see, it cranks, it tries to turn on, but it really doesn't run at all. So I really don't know what else to do. Again, just as a recap, I'm running straight gas into the fuel pump. The fuel pump, it's pumping. This was empty before I started it. As I said, I sprayed starting fluid there just in case the fuel wasn't getting through the carburetor ball into the carburetor and then intake. And I did check the spark, and also I also checked the compression. Now some people have me check the oil, which the oil is good. I would think that if the oil was low, disabling the engine, I would not have spark because of the low oil switch that disables the stator. I did take the flywheel off. Before I took it off, I made sure that it was lined up and that it hadn't sheared the flywheel, therefore changing the timing. So that was good. I took it off. The key happened to break when I took it off, so I bought a new one, put everything back together, cleaned the magnet on the flywheel, and cleaned the stator as well. Making the presumption that the stator is working because I am getting spark. So any help, please just respond to this video. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. I'm a rope's end here with this generator. Next thing I would need to do is find somebody that can fix it, but I dealt with small engines for long time, and this one is really giving me a run for my money. Any help is greatly appreciated. Thank you.